Every day, traders enter their challenge fully prepared. They have their own strategies, they have their own risk plan. But in terms of the dashboard, they are unsure, and that creates hesitation and confusion. Hey traders, this is Ariel, and in this tutorial, I will walk you through on how to navigate your dashboard. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look, what to check, and to stay fully informed while trading. Join me and let's check the dashboard. First, let's go to the website. Open up your browser and type in capitalchain.co. This is the official website of Capital Chain where your trading journey starts. To enter your dashboard, at the top right, click Login and enter your email and password. And once you're logged in, you will be redirected to the trader's dashboard, where if you don't have an account yet, you can definitely sign up. Click the link on the description box for the complete sign-up process. And now you enter the Capital Chain Traders dashboard. This is your main control center where you can track progress, manage challenges, and handle payouts. Let's break it down step by step. And now let's check the home page. When you logged in, this is the first screen you will see. At the top, you will see a welcome message, and this homepage will give you a quick overview of their trading journey. Here you will find the total number of payouts, the number of accounts, the number of accounts you pass, and the funded accounts you currently have. Also, at the top left, you can select your trading account. If you have multiple accounts, please make sure that you have selected the correct one. And now let's check rewards. In this section, you can see all your tasks, the points that you have accumulated, the claim rewards, and the rewards that needs to be redeemed. You can earn rewards by completing various social media tasks featured on our official social media channels. And now let's move to withdrawals. Here you can request for payout and see the details of your earnings or your trading profit. And now let's move to the juicy part of the dashboard, the performance. On the performance section, we have three components. We have My Stats, Certificates, and Competitions. And now let's start with My Stat. This page is your performance hub. Here you can see your net profit and loss, your win rate, and your full trade summary. Everything you need to track your progress like a pro. And now let's go to certificates. Passing a challenge is a big win and we make sure that it counts. This page displays all the challenges that you have completed, ready to be downloaded and added to your trading portfolio. And lastly, competitions. Here you will see the overview of our ongoing tournaments. In the middle section, you will find ongoing, which is for all the ongoing competitions that we have. Upcoming, for all upcoming competitions in the future. Joined are those competitions that you have joined. And then are those for the competitions we had done previously. And if you wanted to update your profile credentials, your account details, you can definitely click Profile section. And now let's move to the most important part of the dashboard, the FAQ and terms of use. And if you have confusions, clarifications, questions in mind, FAQ is your go-to guide, ready to support you on your trading journey. Terms of use is the trader's handbook. It contains all the trading rules, trading behaviors, and guidelines that a trader must know. So we highly recommend for all the traders to read terms of use before trading with Capital Chain. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to navigate your dashboard. You're now fully equipped and now ready to take your next challenge with Capital Chain. Thank you for watching. Keep pushing your limits, traders, and see you on the next tutorial.